Hello, this is Oleg with OpenBOM, and today I am going to show you a very quick preview of SolidWorks integration working together with OpenBOM Integrated 3D Viewer that will be available soon. So what you can see, it's a SolidWorks add-in running in this SolidWorks session. So what happens is that we now have an extended configuration, and this configuration allows you to create settings to capture send cloud files to OpenBOM storage for viewing. So once it's done, we can go and we can create bill of materials. So bill of materials is generated, and as bill of material is generated, it's also generate preview links inside of OpenBOM. So as the BOM is created, if I will go and I will open bill of materials, so you can see this bill of materials now has these links, and if I click on those links, I am getting previews of the parts and the assemblies. So that was this one, so I can go and I can find another preview, and I can see assemblies and parts. So that was all with a very quick preview of a coming integrated 3D viewer inside of OpenBOM. Stay tuned, we will come with announcement about 3D viewer and integrated storage soon. Thank you very much and have a good day.